If you're seeing this video, it means you want to learn how to draw a female face. And then you search on YouTube like how to draw a female face step by step. Well, that's easy without wasting time. Let's start the video. Well, here's my few drawings of female. As you can see, they look really nice. And I didn't spend hours on a single line or drawing the particular area. Now let's move to our art supplies, a paper and the pencil. You guys don't need any expensive art supplies. You should just skills. Let's start with the basic. So drawing the female face, you guys need to learn. Drawing a circle, that's right, a circle, then draw a straight line between the circle, and then connect that line to make a jaw. This basic step will help you to draw a female face, and remember, female necks are thin compared to male neck, so draw it a little thinner. And the main feature about female faces are big eyes with the luscious eyelashes, which gives the character a feminine look. Now I'll draw the actual sketching. I'm using the reference for this drawing. Learn this few easy types, like draw a circle, then draw a straight line at the middle of circle. After drawing the straight line, connect that line like an arrow. It would be face shape, I mean the jawline and the chin. Now hold your pencil, lightly start the drawing, like the eye area, nose, mouth, hairline. In the neck, remember, this lower of the circle would be the nose area, and the upper will be hairline. Follow my steps. I hope you're understanding what I actually mean. And the most important thing, practice every day so that your drawing will be day by day